It's Monday, the 14th of September. I only know that because this time last year we were on a plane to Florida. That's so sad. We are currently in Wales. We are in... Do you want to pronounce it, or do I have to try and pronounce it? So I would read it as Llanelli, but I don't think that's how you pronounce it in Wales. So we're doing 3 days here, 2 nights here. Then we're doing 2 nights in the Brecon Beacons, and we're hopefully going to walk up Penny Fan. So at the moment we're in like a little coastal apartment, and it's got a really nice view of a little lake. So we got a little seating area. Kitchen, because we will probably try and cook some food. Bathroom, and this is actually a 2-bed, but it was so cheap we just booked it anyway, so we're not actually sure what bedroom we're going to stay in yet. Here's the second one. So first impressions are good. It is so sunny. The whole week is supposedly meant to be really nice. It's currently like 25 degrees. It's no Florida, but it's the furthest we're probably going to get away this year, so hopefully it should be a nice few days. Honestly can't get over how warm it is.
It's so nice, isn't it?
It genuinely feels like we're abroad. It's the closest we're going to get to being abroad, so might as well make the most of it. So it's a bit later in the day now. Went for a nice walk on the beach, went up to the town. We were going to go out for food, but there's not really many places to go around here. So while we were in Asda picking up some of the essentials like milk and stuff, Josh was like, why don't we do the build your own pizza? And this is what we've ended up with.
Is it my idea? Am I getting blamed for this?
Yeah. We didn't want to get the 10-inch because we thought it'd be too small. But then she did the 14-inch and she put so much cheese and toppings on it. I think we have enough for about 3 days. So I tried to come out to see the sunset. There wasn't much of a sunset, either because we've missed it because we were scoffing our faces with pizza, or because I think the clouds have kind of come in, so it's not the best of days for a sunset. One of those kind of expectations, reality kind of moments. So it's now Tuesday today. It's already like 11 o'clock. We've had a really lazy morning, but it's been nice.
Yeah. What do you have for breakfast, Jade?
I had selection box cereal. Because we were coming away and we were bringing our own food, like the thing that makes me really nostalgic of like caravan kind of holiday type vibes. My parents always used to get like the Kellogg's selection box cereal, and then we'd always have jam toast in little triangles. Josh didn't do the triangles, which I'm unimpressed about. But the rest of it was good. So it's another really nice day actually today. It's a bit more cloudy today. Yeah, a bit more of a manageable temperature, hopefully today. This view is just so amazing. So today we're gonna go walk the Millennium Coastal Path, I think it's called. Yeah. Which is about 13 miles. We're not gonna do the whole 13 miles today. We're probably...
See how far we get, right?
Yeah, I think we'll probably end up walking up to, I think it's called Bury Port, which is about 4 miles from here. So then it'll be 4 miles there, 4 miles back. But we'll see. Shock. So we walked all the way to Bury Port, stopped for some lunch on the beach where there was literally like 2 families on the beach and nobody else. But now it's started to spit a bit. So yeah. I think it might get heavier.
We'll see.
So
we've got no coat or anything.
Yeah, because when we left the weather looked really good. Yeah, rookie mistake.
Oh well, I know.
Trusting British weather.
Only an hour and a half back, isn't it?
Feeling a bit soggy. I don't know how much you can hear from the wind. This view is like incredible. There's just like nobody around, like apart from us. It's really weird. So nice though.
Yeah.
nearly made it back. It's the home stretch. It's mad because we've come from all the way down there pretty much. My one true love, whippy ice cream. So Josh is making us chili for tea. We were gonna attempt the sunset again, but it has just suddenly got like so foggy. Literally can barely see the buildings over the road. I'm guessing we're not seeing a sunset again.
The mist disappeared.
I've never seen fog move so quickly. It looks quite nice now. The clouds are clearing a bit. So it's now Wednesday, and we've just packed up our stuff. So today we're heading to the wetland centre they have here, and then we're going to drive up to Brecon, and that's where we're staying for the next few days. It's been quite nice here. I'd say there's probably not loads of stuff to do in Llanelli. I can't even say it. Llanelli. But if you're looking for somewhere just for like a few days to chill out and do some beach walks, then it's definitely worth coming to.
Yeah.
We're not going to do too much walking today, are we?
No, we're taking it easy today.
Because we said, oh yeah, we wouldn't walk too far yesterday, because obviously we're doing Penny Fan tomorrow, but then we ended up walking 25k steps. So we're definitely taking it easy today, else I'm gonna have to be dragged up Penny Fan tomorrow.
Yeah. I'll do it, don't worry. Carry you up there.
I just love how they walk. That'll be how I'll be walking tomorrow after all the Penny Fan, just waddling. I guess we're not going through this way.
Guard dogs.
They are fucking ready to escape. I don't like it. I feel like I need to whisper because it's like so quiet here.
It is, yeah.
It's weird because we just stopped for some lunch. Took our little pat lunch with us.
Fucking old people, aren't we?
Yeah, we're literally like, come to a wetland centre to look at the ducks and go for a walk, and now we're eating our pat lunch. Anyone generally think we're like 60. We're gonna go back to Connor, probably.
Yep, and head to Brecon.
Head to Brecon. I genuinely can't get over how nice the weather is.
Yeah, we'll see, lucky mate.
It's literally like I'm boiling in shorts and it's mid-September. It's so nice. So you got some slushies for the road.